everyone, so this is my fifth video on this project and maybe the last video because what I have done so far is what I want to learn in this project and I have implemented that. And in this video, I will cover the data fetching part of this application where we will fetch the data from the database and show it to the user. So let me just share you the screen with you guys. One second. So I think the screen is visible now. And so this is my main category fragment, which is inside the home category fragment, sorry, home fragment. So the home fragment has different types of categories like main category, chair. So in previously I explained that I have different types of tags which are created by the user to define which type of product the user is uploading on this application. So the main category contains all types of the products the user have uploaded. So all the users have uploaded on this application, and we are going to fetch those data in our application now. So in our main category fragment, we have this progress bar and recycle view. So what does the progress bar does is it is a type of you have seen buffering in another application, like in many applications you have seen when you try to log in, when you try to fetch some new data, like you use Instagram, like so in Instagram, you swipe down to refresh the data or refresh the post. You see a loading button. I think so. There is a loading button. So let's just take example of thread application. So you swipe down and a symbol of thread gets visible and it shows that the data is being fetched. And the same time of work this progress part does is it just revolves in a circle and after the data gets fetched, it just disappears. And in recycle view is a type of list view where the data is shown. It takes one more file which is layout file. In that layout file, let me just show you the layout file. So this is the layout file that we will use to bind the data in the recycle view. So in this file we have an image, and the product image, and the name of the product. This one text you the name of the product, and you the like option, you if whether you want to like that product or not, and the price of the product. For this for the sake of the development, I have used minimum entities here to develop the application fast. And yeah, so the cycle view takes this file, resource layout file, and binds the data in it and shows multiple times in the recycler view. So if like there are five products, so it will copy this file five times and show it to you. And those five times, in those five views, there will be different types of data. Like if user have uploaded four posts, the four posts will be shown here. So let's look at the backend part of this fragment. So there's nothing much in the backend part. Like I have this function which implements the which implements the recycler view. So recycler view take two entities or two things. First is type of layout which recycler view wants to bind, and the other is adapter. So adapter helps us to bind the data, like bind the view and data. Let me just show you the adapter of this fragment. Where is the adapter part? So yeah, so this is the adapter. I don't think you will understand if you are not developing any application in Android native. So this is the adapter. I don't think I have to explain it much. You know if you are developing the Android applications or whatever. And so yeah, this is the adapter, and I'm implementing the adapter in my recycle view, and recycle view is using grid layout manager here. So basically grid layout manager is like showing the products in two rows or number of rows we want to show. Like here I have used span count to 2, which means I want two two columns, sorry, I want two columns, and the rows will be defined on the page of the products users have uploaded. So two rows will be shown. I will show the preview of this application on the right. Which one is right? Right side of the screen. So yeah, here I will show the preview of the application. You can understand it here. And yeah, after that, what we have, what we have after implementing the sector view and showing, yeah. So yeah, that's the work so far, and I will share, as I told that I will share the preview, and I have done this much only. I also have, so let me just explain the adapter to you guys because this video is being short. So the adapter has two things. One is the view holder and second is adapter itself. So in view holder, we binds that file that I was talking about, that layout resource file. And in layout resource file, we have like three entities. First one is the image, name of the product, and price of the product. So now we have bind that. Don't take it seriously, this one. So now we have bind that file in our backend part, and now we can use those entities to manipulate our data. So after binding the file, we will it has, so the adapter has like three functions, I think. Get item count and on bind holder has, yes. So adapter have three functions that we have to override, which is on create view holder and get item count and on byte view holder. So get item count basically is the we have to tell how many items there are there in the database, and we can restrict the number of data we want to show here. So like here I'm showing the data, all the data in the database, like for the sake of the development. And in on create view we inflate the layout manager, like the cycle view I am using that I have to inflate here. So it is inflating the cycle view here, and on bind view holder we set the values that are being fetched from the database. Like here the position means the row, which row we in which row we have to show that data. So so in like it will increase like it getting increased in the arrays like 0 1 2 3 index. That's the same here. Position is 0 1 2 3, and I have this bind function in which I am passing the values that are being fetched from the database. So after and I'm using MVVM architecture in it. So first I am passing the data to the view model, and a view model will implement that data. So after implementing that, I have nothing much to show here. So it's getting complicated. So I will end my video here, and this just that's the application I have built so far, and I think I will not build this application what I have to do. So I will not build this application anymore in future. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, and we will continue the next project that me and my friends are building, which I will tell in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.